Just wanted to build Lego. I just wanted to build Lego. Taco. That donation was enormous and far more than is necessary. Thank you. Do wrote flashbacks. It do be like that. Take me on a detour? It only cost 1,000 bits to make me dance. Nogthen! Royterp! Buzz Lightbeard, I mean. There you go, folks. We finished level 1. Thank you so much. Nogthen with 400. Roy with 100. Yeah, thanks, Roy. Nogthen with another 100 as well. 500 total. You guys shouldn't be doing this. A bumpy dirt road called We Love You TSG. It's very, very bumpy. It's a very bumpy road.
Encore, please.
Hello? There's something wrong with Square. He's not responding. I think he's broken.
Thanks for calling the Square helpline. If your Square has become overwhelmed by a generous Square gang, press 1. If your Square is suffering from doom-induced motion sickness, press 2. If your Square has a dire need for more Lego, press 3. For all other inquiries, please hold the line. Please hold the line. Thanks for calling the Square helpline. If your Square has become overwhelmed by a generous Square gang, press 1.
Taco, you blatantly should not be doing this. That was a good pirouette, Barnstar. Thank you, everybody, for completing the level 1 hype train.